Hi, I'm Kathryn. I'm the Technical Resource Manager for the Fabric Lab. This is the Sew Lab and it boasts one of the best views in the college. The Sew Lab can be accessed by any student in the college following a full induction. The Sew Lab is used for pattern cutting and garment construction. It has an industry standard setup as the same way as many sample studios do in the industry. In the Sew Lab we have 7 large pattern cutting tables, 30 industrial flatbed sewing machines, 7 overlockers and 5 press stations. We also have a selection of other specialist machinery such as buttonholers, walking foot machines, cover stitch stretch machines and a small bank of domestic sewing machines. There's also a store in this space that stocks basic fabrics and some haberdashery items. A few things to consider before using the Sew Lab. Please observe the health and safety guidelines in the Sew Lab, and these mainly rely on courtesy and common sense. Please respect the equipment and other users in the space, keep walkways clear and no food or drink on the machinery. Please also wear the appropriate shoes and clothing. The Sew Lab operates a no blame policy, so we encourage everyone to report any damages or faults so that we can keep this space and the resources maintained to a professional standard. The Sew Lab has an amazing technical team and they have a wide variety of skills and knowledge, and they're very enthusiastic about their specialist subjects. The team enjoy being challenged and assisting students with realising their ideas.